Welcome back to my garage. It's been over a year since the last video, but the car is not forgotten. I still got a lot of junk in the garage, but I will try to start building again. I've been working a little bit on the car, mainly chopping up the 1 Series subframe and the 750 series subframe to try to somehow put them together. And I think I found a really good spot now that I think will work. It has been in the car with the engine, and I've actually got the engine a little bit further down, so I got more space against the window washers. So that's not an issue anymore. The biggest task now is to try to at least tack this together. It's aluminium. I'm no expert in MIG aluminium welding, but I've done it, so hopefully I'm able to tack it together, and then we will see later down the line if we can get some help from some professional welders. We will see, or we just do it ourselves and see what's happened. I got my MIG welder set up for aluminium, but I think it's a little bit too small. I don't think I'm able to get enough heat to really weld it together. So the most important thing is to get the 2 subframe pieces together, set at the correct place, so that the engine can find its final resting place, and then I'm able to continue and start welding the drive shaft tunnel together with the car. A lot of work, but I've started this project, and one day I'm gonna finish it. I'm not sure when, but someday. So it's just to crack on. Yeah, so what have we achieved? I'm no welding professional, but I'm a grinding professional. Oh, hopefully at least the tacks are good enough so that it will stay in place, and I don't have to worry about that anymore. And then we will see sometimes in the future some professional person with experience and a lot of tools, at least the correct tools. Maybe they are able to tack this or weld this strongly together. We will see. But at least now the engine has got this final resting place in the compartment. Now we will bolt this up, and then we can bring the car up again. Now the engine is standing on this car jacks, or yeah. So we will bolt it up. Now the subframe is bolted to the car. The engine mount is bolted to the subframe. You can see I have space between the subframe and the sump. I also know that the steering rack fits. Next question is if I need to check the angle of the drive flange from the gearbox. I think maybe I need to push the rear of the gearbox a little bit up, but I'm not quite sure yet. And you can see the oil pan follows these welds, not quite, but pretty good, I will say. Of course, this is a hack job. I was able to put some ugly bird crap here also. So at least the 750 subframe part is tacked to the bomb series subframe. I like it. I like it. I like it. So now it's only the rest of the jobs. So stay tuned. More to come.